Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 26th of February, 2025, with the comments video. And the weather is, it's 8 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock, and it's 50 degrees outside. Today, we are going to have a high of 87. The last hot day, we had 2 or 3 hot days, and it's going to fall back down to 80, then into the 70s over the next few days. And I'll warn you that although the days are going to be mostly sunny, we've got plenty of wind here and there. So watch the daily forecast for wind. Today it's going to be, peak at 16 sustained. That means 30. Thursday also 16. Friday looks a little better. Saturday we're back up almost to 15. So just it's going to be windy. The next 10 days it's going to be windy on at least half the day, so just be prepared for that. So let's jump into your comments, shall we? Now, I love this one. This is Wild About Mustangs. After limping around for a year, I had my hip replacement surgery 2 weeks ago, very recent, and I feel great. I still have trouble putting on my left socks and shoe, but found it helpful to rest my knee and calf on the bed, and then the leg is high enough to get the sock and shoe on. Good tip. A lot depends on your mindset. I know the thought of surgery can cause anxiety, but believe you that you'll feel better when it's all done. Best of luck, and I will be saying prayers for your successful surgery. And I did respond and said, thank you. That means a lot that you shared that, and I really mean that. Thank you. Ken says, on Small Kindness is my positive news video that hardly anybody watched, but I loved it. It was about a thing that people in a nursing home did. And Ken says, what a wonderful way to bond with the community. Ken says, on the long form, nice tilt lets us see Dottie while you drive. Dee Dee Cornell says, good morning, Rob, Dottie, and George. And M. Campbell, hey, oh wow, the clarity of that VR screen is amazing. I show my new VR thing. I'll do a video on it more full, but it's pretty amazing. They've really come a long way. I remember trying one when they first came out, thinking that's really promising, but I was going to wait. Me too, but the wait is over. Ken said, good VR headset. Nice that you can see the rest of the trailer too. One of the great things about this headset, I can't have a big screen TV, obviously. It's a little tiny trailer. But with VR headset, I can have a 100-inch screen. It's beautiful resolution. It's entertaining. It's comfortable. It's great. The headset thing even has a little fan built into it so it doesn't get warm. It's great. Robert Ballard says, hey, Rob, Dottie, and George. Wow, I started my journey on my justification speech to my wife on getting a VR set. Fortunately, I don't need to justify mine. That's the trouble with being a nerd. It's good to see you getting the appointments out of the way and prep for your surgery. Don't forget to lean on your friends to help you get ready. Your friends and followers will help you in any way that you need. I'll talk about that, the getting ready for the surgery, at the end here. Ken says, lovely comment call. I like these because it gives you an opportunity to engage with your viewers. Yes, it does. Especially you, Ken. Pamela Knoll, about hip surgery. There will be just a little dip in your pain level, mobility, and independence, but you will come through with flying colors. Cottawampel, a friend of mine just had hip replacement surgery, had surgery in the morning, was home by evening. Today is the first full day on the road to recovery. Wow, lots of people after this surgery, aren't there? AIM readings. I wish you had all the strength and healing and positive vibes. May the procedure go smoothly and may your healing be nice and quick. All the blessings. Love the VR. Very cool. And on the road with Sally Forth says, you and Sally have the best conversations. And my nomadic dream, such a great idea with the VR. Yeah, it's just so great. That's Herbie. Herbie, come over and check it out. I'll let you see it. You'll love it. I'll let you try it out. Small Kindness, 347 positive news. RV Life says fantastic. 3 Generations said, oh, and old about George and Dottie's about their adoption. It was an older video. It says, Dottie's a lucky little girl. Thank you, Rob, for rescuing instead of purchasing. I watched you and Amanda on YouTube at the RTR, and I am now your newest sub, Iris and Little One. All right. 3 generations. Says, wow, you were truly a saved man. I think she's not talking to me. She's talking to the subject of the saved baby 64 years ago positive news video. That is actually all there is. So the update on the surgery, medical clearance meeting with the doctor went yesterday afternoon. And everything went fine. I do have to go for another blood test, which apparently Medicare is denied, so I got to figure that out. I'll have to pay out of pocket for it. But a chest x-ray and an EKG, so I have to go to Parker, about 40 miles north of here, to get that done because the local place doesn't have a working EKG machine. So I've got to get that done up there. Also, I have to do a UA thing. So I'm bringing friends with me. I'm bringing Sally forth, and I'm bringing Barb with me, and the Kit, the Wonder Dog, and Dottie all together in the truck. And we're going to go to Parker this morning. We're going to go to Walmart. I think we'll get one of those motorized carts for Sally for Walmart so she can buzz all around Walmart. That'll be fun. Let's see. Blood tests, follow-up blood test results came back where I mentioned they were really a little worried about the creatinine levels, which gets up, affects kidney function when you're taking a lot of NSAIDs. Well, I've stopped taking the NSAIDs and I'm back down into the normal range. I'm back into the normal range with everything he was concerned about. So the blood tests are pure and wonderful, and we'll get those tests done today. Medical clearance hopefully will happen tomorrow, which is Thursday, and then maybe Friday I'll hear something about the potential for a date in March for my surgery. And I'm going to bring all of you along with me with all of that. And keep the comments coming, and I love hearing from you, and I love talking about it. And let's see, is that it? That's it for today. Take care.